I have an event to attend, and with how the weather has been over the past couple of weeks, basically the whole of July with downpour, I said I need myself a new tent. So I have this new tent from Quictent that I recently got. Shout out to Quictent for the easy and fast shipping. And today I want to see how I can set it up really fast and easy so that the day of the market, I don't have to stress myself about how to put it together. I unpacked this at home. I put it in this carry bag that has a roller at the bottom for me to carry it. It's made it very easy for travel. And now I'm taking it out of that bag for me to set it up. I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this together. It seems pretty easy, but of course it comes with a user manual, and that's gonna tell me exactly how to put everything together. We're gonna have to open it backwards. See that? Very easy. And the next thing is just putting the cover on top. This tent comes with a cover for the top, but also the side covers, which is why I got it. Because with the rain lately, I feel like my products and myself, we're gonna need some extra coverage. So I fully expanded the frame of the tent by grabbing each leg and stepping backwards. Then I had to attach the roof cover that will protect me and my products. That was super easy, and to completely secure the roof to the frame, there were these Velcro pieces on both the cover and the frame, and I simply attached them to each other. Once that was done, I locked the top legs by pushing the crossbars up until I heard them click in place, so the top of the tent was fully expanded. And something I really like about this tent is the 3 different height levels that the legs could extend to. But since I'm on the shorter side, I did the first level, but this can definitely go taller. All you have to do is press on the leg release button while stepping on the bottom piece to push each leg up until you hear that click sound once again. This next step is me attaching the back and sidewalls to the tent. They also come with Velcro tapes to fully secure them in place, so you don't have to worry about them flying away. This is totally optional, but like I said, it's been raining nonstop in the DMV, and I need all the sidewalls to protect me and my products. I have to say though, if you're on the shorter side like me and you're putting this up by yourself, definitely keep your tent on that first height level so you can attach the sidewalls. You can always extend the height when you're done attaching them. My tent is all set up, guys. It took me a little bit longer to figure this out just because I didn't want to read the instruction manual. So hopefully you don't make the same mistake. I absolutely love how this looks. It feels like homey in a way, and it comes with extra things so that I can attach them onto the floor and make sure that it's extra secure. But if I don't want to do that, I also have the little bags that I can add sand to secure onto the legs of the tent itself. But yeah, I definitely love this and how it looks. It has these extra little pockets. That was a surprise to me because now I can add extra items into the pockets to make more space onto my table if I needed it. And that way I can also have flyers or whatever else I need to give to my customers when they're speaking to me. Now that I have that figured out, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a very easy takedown. I've taken out the sidewalls. All I have to do is pretty much bring the height down, and I can definitely leave the top on or take it off if I want to and just bring it together. Thank you to Quictent for sponsoring this video. If you want to get yourself a tent just like mine and use it at any farmers market or pop-up events that you have coming up, make sure to use that link in the description below to save you some money and get yourself a good tent. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. Now I'm all set to go.